Hi there, welcome to the another video of our course. Here in this video, we are going to discuss how to send mail using PHP. So without wasting much of time, let's start our tutorial. Hope you have already installed the Jam control panel. You will find the Jam folder inside the C drive. Inside Jam folder, you will find the PHP folder. Here in this PHP folder, we need to edit PHP configure or configuration setting. So this is the PHP configuration setting file. Inside this PHP configuration setting file, we need to search for main function. So we need to edit this main function to configure the mail in our Jam server. So let's first comment all this statement inside this main function by typing semicolon in front of every statement. So this is how we can comment statement in configuration file. After commenting all this statement inside the main function, we need to write few lines of code. So here we are going to write few lines of code. So this is the code that we are going to copy into that PHP configuration file. I have already posted this code in the description. From there you can copy this code and paste inside the PHP file. So this send mail from here, we need to pass the email address from where we want to send the mail. Here I am writing the email address of mine. You can use your email address to send the mail. And we need to save this file. After saving this file, we need to open the Jam folder, and inside this Jam folder you will find the another folder called send mail. Here in this send mail, we need to edit the send mail.configuration file, and we need to comment few statements. So after commenting all this statement by typing the semicolon in front of it, we need to write few lines of code. I have already posted the code in the description. You can copy the code from there and you can simply paste this code inside the send mail file. So this is the code that I have posted in the description. You can copy this code from the description and you can paste inside the send mail function. So here we need to paste that code. So here in this username field, we need to write the same email address that we have written in our PHP configuration file, and here also we need to write the same email address from where we want to send the mail. So here I am using my email address. You can use your email address to send the mail. So after writing this email address, we need to write the password. So first save the file and we need to write this password. So we need to write our app password. So we need to generate our app password from Google because we are using the smtp.google.com. So to generate the app password, open your favorite browser and type accounts.google.com. So after typing this accounts.google.com, we need to go to the security option, and from here we can create our app password. So before creating the app password, we need to on the two-step verification. So after that, we can create our app password. So to create the app password, click on that app password option, type here password of Gmail account and press the next button. After successful logging, this type of window will open, and here we need to select the app custom and need to write the app name and need to click on generate option. So after clicking the generate option, this is the password that we can use in our send mail configuration file. Copy this password and simply paste there here. So let's save the file, and now we need to write PHP script to send the mail. To write a code, you can use any text editor of your choice. Here I am using Sublime Text 3, and this is the code for sending mail. I have already posted this code inside the comment section. In here in variable 2, we need to write the email address to whom we are going to send the mail, and these are the some header variables which is used to configure the HTML tag, and this is the mail function which is going to use to send the mail. So let's save the file. We need to save the file inside XAMPP htdocs and inside the folder, our project folder, and save the file. To run the code, first we need to open the XAMPP control panel. Hope you have already installed this XAMPP control panel, and we need to start Apache and MySQL. After starting Apache and MySQL, we need to open a browser. Here we need to write the localhost and the folder where we have saved this file. So here I have saved this file inside the localhost and the mail function. So let's type the mail function, and here we have file that is sendmail2.php. Let's run the code. So we have successfully run the code, and let's log in into our mail. So this is the mail. So this was the mail that we have sent from our PHP script. So in our next video, we are going to see how to create feedback form. If you want to learn PHP in more detail, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.